Good morning. It's May 14th, 2018. It is a beautiful day. We've finally got some summertime type weather. We're going to clean this home right behind us. You can see the roof over my head that I'm looking at. We're going to be cleaning the front of the roof, and we're going to be cleaning the front of that shop building over there. So it's a perfect day for it. We've got almost no wind. Let's get this thing done. All right, here we are just a little bit later. The whole roof has been treated. Again, we're just doing the front section, which will be from there. There's another section here on the between the house and the garage. We did that. Yeah, I see a couple spots up top I need to hit again. No big deal. You can see that black up there. We always say if it's brown, it'll come down, but if it's black, we need to come back. So we make sure that doesn't happen. And then we did the side of this garage right here. And we're going to be cleaning the siding on the front of it. So you can see it already makes a huge difference in it. We'll walk back over here. This roof is, again, a very, very common problem. I talk about this all the time. This is what you need to be concerned with if you have trees. All that white fuzzy stuff is moss, and there's some lichen in there. That's what's going to damage your roof. That will eat into your shingles. It holds moisture on there, pops the granules off. It will definitely shorten the life of your roof. If you look under that dormer, there's a bunch of moss. There's a bunch of moss under that one. That's going to be one of the first things you see. Then you'll see the black streaks. Trees are beautiful. They're absolutely probably the worst thing you could have for your roof is to have them hanging over like that. But everybody does. It's not a big deal. Just keep your roof professionally cleaned. If you'll start as early as a 5-year-old roof, I wouldn't want to wait too much longer than that. We could come in and we could treat it. Never let any of this stuff get started. It's definitely going to extend the life of your roof, and just as importantly, it's going to keep your home looking awesome. There's no reason to wait until it's just a train wreck to have it fixed. All right, we'll check back in a minute. Here we are a little bit later. Everything is done. It's wet. It looks wonderful. Siding on that garage end is all clean. The roof from that peak on the garage all the way across to that peak up there on the very top are clean. We cleaned the siding on the dormers, the fascia and everything on them, so they look real good. When this thing dries, it's going to look beautiful. Shingle Bright, signing out.